Greetings, savvy investors. Are you feeling the heat of today's economy, with stocks and cryptocurrencies taking a hit? Fear not, as holding cash is now a smart move with rising profit rates. But where should you store your money for short-term gains? This video will explore the top investment options that will make your money work harder. Stay tuned, and before we start our video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Having extra cash on hand is always a good feeling, but if it's just sitting in your checking account earning no profit, it can be a missed opportunity. While checking accounts are great for daily spending, they're not ideal for emergency funds or any cash you plan on holding for a more extended period. In these cases, you'll want to explore other options that can offer more growth potential for your money. High-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account is one of the most popular options for parking your cash. As the name implies, these accounts offer a higher profit rate than traditional savings accounts, which can help your money grow faster. The best part is that your money remains 100% liquid, meaning you can access it whenever you need it without any penalty. While big banks like Chase and Bank of America typically offer profit rates of less than 1% of their savings accounts, most high-yield savings accounts now offer 3% or more in profit. That may not sound like a lot, but it can add up over time, especially when you consider the power of compound profit. One high-yield savings account that has gained a lot of attention in recent years is Yada Bank. This online bank offers some of the highest profit rates in the market and is known for its weekly sweepstakes that provide customers with a chance to win prizes that boost their profit rate even higher. While most of the prizes are small, the top prize can be as high as $10 million. If you're looking for a great place to park your cash and earn profit, a high-yield savings account like Yada Bank may be the way to go. Just be sure to research and compare different options to find the best fit for your financial goals and needs. Number 1. Bonds. Aside from its high-yield savings accounts, Yada Bank's I-bonds are an attractive option for those seeking long-term investments that can keep up with inflation. With a variable profit rate that adjusts based on inflation every 6 months, these bonds offer a fixed profit rate of around 0.5% on top of the inflation rate. This means that your investment is protected from inflation, and its purchasing power will not decrease over time. However, it is important to note that I-bonds require a minimum holding period of 12 months, and early withdrawals before 5 years incur a penalty equivalent to the last 3 months' profit earned. If you're willing to make a long-term investment to protect your cash from inflation, Yada Bank's I-bonds are worth considering. CDs. The current market conditions have made certificates of deposit CDs a viable investment option. While they may not be the most exciting investment product, CDs can be a reliable way to earn a fixed profit rate while protecting your principal. It works by agreeing to lock up your money for a specific time, which can range from a few months to several years, in exchange for a predetermined profit rate. Generally, the longer the duration of the CD, the higher the profit rate offered by the bank. However, the CD market is looking a little unusual right now. 1-year CDs pay up to 4.5% profit, which is almost the same rate as 5-year CDs. This anomaly has allowed investors to earn high returns relatively quickly. If you are hesitant to lock up your money for the entire duration of a CD, there are other options you can explore. One option is a no-penalty CD, which allows you to withdraw your funds before maturity without incurring a penalty. However, the downside of a no-penalty CD is that the profit rate may be lower than a traditional CD. Another option is a brokered CD similar to a traditional bank CD, but offered through a brokerage like Charles Schwab or Fidelity. With a brokered CD, you can buy and sell them anytime without penalty. However, keep in mind that the value of a brokered CD may decrease if profit rates rise, which could lead to a loss if you need to sell the CD before maturity. CDs can be a great way to earn reliable returns while preserving your principal, but it's important to consider all the options and choose the best fit for your financial goals. T-bills. When it comes to investing your cash, T-bills or short-term government bonds are another attractive options to consider. T-bills have durations ranging from 1 month to 1 year, and currently, 1-year T-bill yield 0.6% profit. While you have to hold the bond until maturity to receive the profit, they're one of the safest investments available, and you can earn 0.6% profit by locking your money up for just 1 year in a government bond. Additionally, T-bills and most government bonds are not subject to state or local income taxes, making them an even more enticing option. Ultimately, the first step in deciding where to invest your cash is determining when you may need to access the funds and how long you're willing to lock them up. Once you have made this determination, you can evaluate which option best suits your needs. With the current market conditions, CDs, I-bonds, and T-bills are 3 excellent options to consider. Keep your cash working for you, not against you. Invest wisely and watch your savings grow. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.